My deal got, earlier this week, it's got, from me bumping a stump, it's got wood cracked off in that hole that was deep. And then when they get this, I can see it a little bit, see if I press it. But that right there is where they hit it with a weight right in between the front seat. Oh, shit. Cracked it. All that weight, and they done it over here with it.
I thought that was a sunspot.
There's Cam's crotch.
What? Oh. It's just a video.
Oh, good. I thought you were on FaceTime for a second. That scared me. I was like, please don't be on FaceTime. It's pretty slow.
That would be bad. that far.
No, I'm talking about that looks like the youth camp I used to go to, the church camp.
There's a camp right there.
Is it Frontier Camp? Have you heard of it?
You can search it up on maps too.
That's not, I'm just gonna look where we are. It's like, are we in like Grapevine, I think?
What?
I'm just gonna maps. That's crazy, bro.
Damn. Small world.
No, it's crazy that I recognize it.
Oh yeah, that too actually. Bro, okay, yeah, no, I need new
We can go
cables.
back here. We can go back here and read what it says.
I need new cables. They're they keep coming undone. Like
For your phone?
oh,
For your phone?
no, for my yeah. My sunglasses.
It says it's 2 by the way.
Okay.
It's on Houston County Road. Yeah, it's on Grapevine. Never mind, that's not even it.
Bro, that's the same exact layout.
Yeah, this place out here with this dock is some kind of thing. We used to have a sailboat there.
Exact same, that's crazy. Camp counselor passed away
So
because
it's
he was
9
late
o'clock
and
at
had a
night.
brain-eating amoeba.
It's dark. I know it doesn't look like it in the video, but obviously the sun is completely down. The moon is out. Beautiful, nice, cool evening. Little breeze. Even when the boat's not going 50 mile an hour. So, we're gonna try one more spot and then we're gonna call it a day. Fish have been caught. Not many, but they've been caught. Got my new PV. Real happy about that.
That's like that.
Killed it. Unfortunately, it didn't make it.
But it's not it.
So,
That's crazy.
yeah, it happens. Good bite. So, all right, I'll get you more later.